Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Toyosi Ogumowale is my name and I'm pleased to have you here. Now, what I want to share with you today is exactly how to top up your account using Bitcoin. And when I mean your account, I mean your AI marketing account, that is your robot. I want to show you how to fund it with Bitcoin. I have a lot of teammates asking how to fund it because they are not so used to the crypto industry. But remember that this is not a crypto business, but crypto is money, right? So it's acceptable here in AI marketing. So let's just go right into it. Now, when you sign in into your account, you should just come to your left hand side, come down to where you have top up. You click on top up. When you click on top up, you see it's asking for how much you want to top it up. Let me say maybe $30. Let's say $30. Okay. And then the method of funding, I want to pick Bitcoin because of course that's what we want to try out. Yes. So with this, what this means is that you've put in the amount you want to buy, the amount you want to send. It has given you a Bitcoin value that you will need to get. Now, when I click on pay, what it does is that it brings out the value for me and the wallet address I am required to send the Bitcoin to. Now, when you look at it very well, you see a copy button right beside the amount. Then you see another copy button right beside the wallet. Now take note that you have to be very accurate with these details. These two details are very important. So I'll show you how to copy these details without making any mistakes. But right now, what you need to do is to use the copy button that you see just beside the amount. Copy that. Once you click on copy, it copies it. You can then paste it for keeps elsewhere. Do the same thing for the wallet, right? It copies the whole of it once you use that button I just showed you beside the address. So that's what I did. I just pasted it in here so that should in case my transaction doesn't go through now, I don't forget. Anyways, I can always go back to my back office and look at the funding history and get it again. But this is just to be accurate. So now I'm going to log into my crypto holding wallet. I'm logged in now. I'm going to come to where you see funding and then click on withdraw because I'm taking crypto out of here. So it's going to be withdraw. I'm going to click on withdraw. I'm going to pick what exactly I want to withdraw, or I could just search for it. BTC. Here you go. Right, so what I need to do is to put in that value here. Okay, so I'll go get that again. This is how much of BTC. I'll paste it in here now, or I could okay, here you go. Paste it in here. I don't have any BTC here right now. That's why you see amount entered exceeds account balance. I don't have so much. Then the withdrawal address, I'll go and get it from where I kept it. Now, how you don't make mistakes about the withdrawal address, just to be double sure, is you check the first three numbers that begin it and check the last three to be sure that you have exactly what you're supposed to have. Right, so I'll paste it here in wallet address. That's it. So okay, I need to add a new wallet address. Okay, let's do that. Once I add it, I have to add the description, AI marketing. top up, so that I can easily come back and use that address if I want to. Alright, so they've sent me an email. I'm going to confirm just to be sure that they have the owner of the account working on this. It's not someone else. You want to be sure. So they are sending me a confirmation. So I'll just confirm on my email. That's what I'm doing on my phone right now. Once that's done, they would allow me use that wallet address. Now I can go and pick up that wallet address. Let me look at the first 3BK ZS8. Right, so let's look for it. Wallet address. Here you go. This is it here. So once I click that, what happens is that they will tell me how much it is that they're going to use for the transaction, how much they're going to use as the transfer fee. Once they tell me that, you can see withdrawal fee, they put it in there. It definitely would show me that, okay, you're sending this amount of BTC into whatever address you've given, and then what you'll be charged, that's here, the withdrawal fee is this. Now once you hit withdraw, it goes straight into AI marketing and it comes here, the add balance. So give it a few minutes, you see it appear here. Maybe, if it happens that you do that transaction some hours after you got your values from AI marketing, it's possible that the value of that Bitcoin had dropped. So you could have something like this show up, right, if it took so long. But if it's a top up that you did, you just generated wallet address and amount, and then you did it immediately, it will show the exact value here, and then that's all. What is left is the robot will pick it up from here in a few hours and then begin to use it, usually between 24 to 48 hours. Okay, so I hope this helps, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a lovely evening.